our medium round, hindi lang po ito patok na patok. Putok na putok kasi it landed number 4 sa World Digital Charts ng Billboard. This is Alvin Ignacio, the diva that you love. Together with me is my kumaring Ultra Maldita.
Hi, this is Alex Brosas.
And you are watching The Kitty Show, ang tayo na talakay ng Showbiz Edition. At ang pag-uusapan natin ngayon, ito natutuwa ako talaga sa pag-uusapan natin ngayon dahil ang aking kumaring Ultra Maldita, ang unang nanood nito ng, tawag yun, music film. Bago ko ito na pinanood. Ito ay ang music film ni Sarah Geronimo at ang kanyang collaboration with SB19 na ang pamagat ay Umaaligid. Ang Umaaligid po ang kauna-unahang music film project ng G Company ng mga Giricelli, ni Mateo at ni Sara Mare. As of this conversation, meron ng
751,000
plus ang views nito ng music film na ito. Mare, sabi ko nga, ikaw ang naka-virgin sa
Grabe
music
ka
film na
naman.
ito. Situations mo when you watch it.
Having seen the music film, I think it's grungy, I think it's edgy, and I think it's over the top.
Wow, over the top in a good way.
Yeah.
Ako, when I finally saw it, ang na-impress ako is the fact that marunong palang umarte yung mga SB19 boys.
Undiscovered facts.
Undiscovered talent yun. Undiscovered facet of their resume of talents na biglang nailabas doon. Number 2, ang ganda-ganda pa rin ni Sarah.
Yeah, at 37.
Diba?
She just celebrated her birthday last month.
Diba? Ang ganda-ganda niya pa rin. And kitang-kita mo talaga na ibang-iba ito sa usual type. Parang masyado lang tinaas yung bar sa paggawa ng music video kasi hindi lang to video. Film. Tapos may kwento talaga. Diba? May parang who done it? Sino man pumatay dun kay Victor na parang buwiset sa kanilang lahat. Diba? So, and the song is powerful. It's electric. Iba yung dating. Iba yung tunog. And I think Rad Kids ata ni Pablo ang gumawa nito eh. So, sa akin, nakakatuwa na this is the second song of Sarah that entered the World Digital Sales Chart. Her first was Tala. This is the second. At ayoko namang, and then, dahil nga, in a way, kaka-collaborate nila ang SB19 dito. This is SB19's fourth. Na pumasok na sabing chart. Ako, ang dasal ko talaga, aside from the World Digital Sales Chart, itong Umaaligid, pumasok talaga sa Billboard Top 100 Tunes. Diba? Yung, hindi lang sa digital. Yung talagang umakyat siya ng, diba, merong American Top 40 na inaano ang Billboard, makapasok doon. Kasi I remember, pag nakapasok yun doon, a really big hooray. Hurrah for Sarah and the SB19 boys.
Alam mo, the operative word for this venture is investment.
Yes. It's a very... Why? Why so?
Sarah waded into an untested waters.
Yes.
Kasi this is something that she had not done before.
As a
In the
producer.
same manner, the SB19 members also waded into untested waters because this is something that they have not acted out for sa isang music video. Diba? All we saw was dancing and dancing and dancing and singing and singing.
Although may mga visuals sila na parang nagdadrama-drama. Ito talaga parang kita-kita mo acting moments eh. Diba?
Diba? Pangatlo, explorative ang kanilang endeavor na ito.
Yes.
Because they were exploring other artistic pursuits na hindi nila naibigay early on in their careers.
Yes.
Diba? So, naging exploration nila ito eh.
And another
Diba?
part of the explorative is that the sound is so totally different. from
Oo.
what Sarah used to sing and from what SB19 is currently famous for.
Tapos pang-apat, the move was brave.
True.
Very, very brave.
Mhm.
Because they broke the standard of music video acting.
Mm.
'Di ba? Na
Yes.
iba. They
Oo.
changed the
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 landscape.
landscape
Mhm.
of music video.
Oo.
'Di ba? And that was so very, very brave.
Very, very brave and very, very rich. Kasi
Mm.
mahal gumawa ng film.
Oo.
'Di
'Di
ba?
ba? Lalo na ito kasi ano, may party scene,
Oo,
may
cast of
ano oo.
thousands, may setting,
At
may
saka yung pagkakahabi nung story is so brief, pero
kuha mo.
kuha mo kaagad, you
Oo.
get the message,
Oo.
'di ba? Kasi it's a story of ano, of panlilinlang, 'di ba?
Pandaraya.
Pandaraya, 'di ba?
Parang may pang-effort pala, parang dapat may mangmomolestya,
Oo.
'di ba?
May ano, may manipulation
Oo,
involved.
napaka-dark ng themes pero
Oo.
executed very well.
Oo. Tsaka tawag dito, this should serve as an inspiration to other ano, artists
Oo.
na si Sarah and yung SB19 have explored something new, so kayo
Kayo
din,
din.
'di
At
ba?
talagang gumawa kayo ng mga proyekto talaga na magpapaigting lalo ng Filipino music, which is what Sarah and SB19 did
At
with
saka ano,
Umaaligid.
most music videos are a play of emotion. Laging na-excite tayo sa mga dance na ano, 'di ba, pasabog, mga ano. But this one, it has a story to tell.
Yes.
And
It's a
a music
narrative.
and a music to complement it,
Yes.
'di ba?
At ang maganda dun, the narrative and the music were truly complementary. Hindi
Mm.
nagnanakawan ng eksena. Hindi
Yeah.
mo masabi, "Ay mas maganda lang yung acting. Ay mas maganda lang yung music."
Mm.
Swak talaga sila.
They were
Talagang pinag-aralan, pinag-isipan.
Oo, they were coherent with each other,
Yes,
'di
yes.
ba?
So cohesive and
Oo.
coherent.
At
Oo.
saka congruent to what is ano,
Yung vision nila.
oo, hindi, congruent to what is happening on the music video, yung ano, yung kanta umaakma,
Oo.
'di ba?
Yes, oo.
Oh,
Swak na swak.
oo, oo,
Saktong-sakto.
parang, this is what happens, di yung kanta din umaano.
In terms of acting, sa mga SB19 mo, sino pinakagusto mo sa acting? Sa napanood mo?
I think Pablo Nace ba yun?
Yung sinigawan ni Sarah na, "Wala kang kwenta!"
Oo, 'di ba?
'Di ba?
Ah,
Oo,
naku,
yes. It
oo.
was really good.
Oo. Pero nang hulala ako, hindi ko kasi knows
Hindi.
talaga,
Pero siya yung
basta Pablo Nace ang nasa utak ko.
siya yung tinalak ni Sarah na,
Oo.
"Wala kang kwenta!"
Oo,
Ganun.
yung inaano na niya yung
Oo,
ano, yung girl,
oo,
'di ba?
oo. Ako pinakagusto ko si Kenzo Snow. Yung nagpe-play ng cards. Yung
Hmm.
akala mo ang yabang-yabang, 'di ba? Ang angas-angas tapos naolat.
Okey.
'Di ba? And gusto ko rin si Stel, yung eksena na dinurog yung gitara ng
Oo.
collector's item ng papa niya,
Oo.
'di ba yung
Akala ko hindi dudurugin.
dinurog
Dinurog talaga dad.
nakita mo talaga yung galit pagkabigla, 'di ba?
Yeah.
'Di
I
ba?
thought pepekein lang. Talagang dinurog dad.
Dinurog.
Sayang the guitar,
Oo.
electric guitar pa man
May
din.
budget,
Oo,
'di
may
ba?
budget.
At ako, isa pang gusto kong i-commend, Sarah Geronimo for producing it. For the very, very first record ng kanyang ng kanilang G company, ni Giancarlo Mateo, is something as explosive as this.
Oo.
'Di ba?
I think that is a tough act to follow.
Yeah.
So,
Yeah.
kailangan i-up nila yung ante nung the next video nila.
The next
Kasi
video
sila ang nag-set ng standard na so
standards,
high,
oo.
'di ba? So, sila din ang
Sarah,
dapat
sige.
sumira.
Pressurein mo ang sarili mo,
Oo,
ayun.
'di ba? Kasi 'di ba? Kasi whatever comes after,
Will be compared to the first.
oo,
Hindi
gano'n talaga
puwedeng,
yun,
'di ba?
Oo.
Ako, I look forward to the day na mag-perform ang SB19 at si Sarah Geronimo na kinakanta na 'to. And I'm sure may dance moves 'yan.
Oo, meron
'Di
talaga
ba?
yan,
Gusto
oo.
kong dumating
I'm
na yung
sure.
panahon na magpe-perform na sila at kakantahin na 'to in whatever show, puwede in ASAP or wherever. Ang question ko lang, maring ngayong may G company na si Sarah, does this mean she's veering away from Viva? O tong music career niya is totally independent from her contract with Viva?
Obviously, she's veering away from Viva. Oo.
Hmm.
Kasi yun nga ang naano ko, nabasa ko sa internet, parang medyo na-shock ang Viva because 'di ba sila
Natraition sa
naman
gano'ng
oo,
kumpanya.
sila naman ang ano, 'di ba?
Hmm.
Sila naman nag-hone, nagbigay ng
Mhm.
title kay Sarah na ah, pero it was inevitable
Hmm.
kasi 'di ba, artist grows.
Oo. And I think knowing Sarah and knowing Mateo, I'm sure nagpaalam sila sa
They ask
Viva,
permission.
even if na-shock.
Mm.
Kasi ang dating sa'kin, di niyo puwedeng gamitin yung walang utang na loob card kay Sarah Geronimo
Mm.
dahil ang dami-dami niya ng inakyat na milyones sa
Mm.
Viva. Ang alam ko nga rin kasi 'di ba, for the longest time laging lumalabas ang chika na for perpetuity ang contract niya with
There's no
Viva.
such thing as
And
for
yun
perpetuity.
nga yun nga ang tsismis na laging
Oo,
inilalako sa
perpetual 'di
oo,
ba?
perpetual ang kanyang contract.
Mm.
So, the fact that Boss Vic already gave her a thumbs up
Hmm.
that for her and Mateo to do G, that means G na G na hindi totoo yung chika na for perpetuity ang kanyang contract.
Oo, pero I think it was Mateo's idea.
Yes.
Oo.
At I think Mateo naman is may good graces kay Boss
Oo,
Vic.
kasi the business acumen comes from Mateo.
True.
The artistry comes
Oo.
from Sarah G.
So ngayon pa lang, again, congratulations to Sarah Geronimo and of course, to Pablo Nace, to Josh Callen Santos, to Jacqueline de Dios, to Stella Ahero and Ken Suson for this umaaligid, bonggang-bonggang collaboration. This is Alwin Ignacio, the diva that you love, together with Miss May Kumaring Ultra Maldita,
Hi, this is Alex
and you are
Brasas.
watching The Kitty Show, ang tayo na't halakihan showbiz edition.